Proof I'm weird but true. I had no idea this book even existed until an Instagram follower messaged me saying I was just so interesting he had to Google me and see if I was true. So I went to Barnes & Noble and sure enough, I don't know how I got in there, but on page 84, there I am. I'm the crazy lady that made a Starburst dress out of 10,000 Starburst wrappers, so you probably already heard of me. So I got the book, and now I have coffee table proof that I'm weird but true. If you are wondering how I sewed 10,000 Starburst wrappers into a dress, here's a little bit of background footage. I sorted the wrappers into colors, I folded them and linked them together in chains, and then I sewed the chains together with elastic thread like you see me doing here. The elastic thread made it pretty stretchy, so it was overall pretty easy to wear and flexible, and honestly, it had the texture of snakeskin, so it was pretty soft too. How do you fold a Starburst wrapper? Great question, I will show you. I can't believe I didn't even make it home and I already ate like a ton. But first what you do is you take it, open it up, and you fold it in half, okay? Then you open that back up and the line that it creates, you're going to fold both into the center, like so. And then you're going to do the same thing again. So you're gonna take the outsides, kind of fold them halfway till they have the crease again, and you're going to fold it 2 more times into the center so it's getting a little bit thinner. And then you're going to completely fold it together so it makes a single strip, just like that. Then with that strip, I'm going to use my fingers to kind of make it a little bit flatter, and I'm going to fold the strip in half, okay? So you kind of have a V forming right there. Then I am going to open that back up. You have another center crease, and I'm going to fold those wings, I guess you would call them. I'm going to fold them into that center point. That's where it gets a little trickier because you have multiple layers of paper in there. All right, so I have a shape like this. And then I'm going to keep those folded in and fold it in again. So you end up with kind of a little heart shape. If you want to turn it into a link, all you have to do is put it inside the loops and it creates a chain. It did. It was a while ago, but let me tell you what, weird stuff happens when you do go viral. Like I had a friend message me one morning and was like, hey, did you read the Sunday comics? I said no, so I ran and I got the Sunday comics and look under Blondie, there's somebody illustrated me in the Ripley section, so that was cool. Another day, a friend messaged me and said, hey, did you watch Saturday Night Live last night? I was like, no, I was asleep. So I went and I got the episode, and apparently Michael Che mentioned the dress, or at least there's a picture of me, a headless picture of me from that episode. So it was cool, it was fun. I will tell you that the Starburst dress is the only dress that's gotten the most attention. I have done other fun dresses. It's a kind of a weird hobby of mine, is repurposing or upcycling different materials into something to wear. So stay tuned, I'll do more on those dresses later. Sadly, no, they didn't sponsor me, but what they did do is what they do for a lot of their fans is they sent a candy jar with my name on it full of, you can guess, Starburst. So I ate all those, and that's where the matching purse and shoes came from. So before that it was just the dress, and then it became a complete set after I got that candy jar. So nice, you eat my cooking. Is it bad? Okay, this one, oh, this one's perfect. Okay, this one's perfect. Look at that. To be honest, we had so much of it, we got sick of it after a while, of course, so we had to find creative ways to eat the candies. So not just eating them straight out of the bag, we would cut them up sometimes and put them into cookies in place of chocolate chips. So that's what we're doing today. We're chopping them up in tinier pieces, and we're just making cookies in a mug so we don't have to eat a whole dozen again. Although, I still like them after that many. I think we gave a lot away, too. Bon appetit. Cheers. it's stringy like cheese. You got a string. Mmm. Yeah, I think that's good. I think it's good. I like it. Can you see the dress? Yes, you can see it. Here's a picture of it. 10,000 Starburst wrappers all sewn together. However, I can't wear it for you on video because I don't actually own it anymore. I sold it to Ripley's Believe It or Not, and it's being shown off in one of their museums. I'm not sure which one right now, but if you find it, let me know in the comments.